Some of you are having questions about how to do investigation 2.2. So what you do is you go to www.mhe.com/bbn. The book we have is Conceptual Approach, so we click on that. Then you go into the student edition. We are working on chapter 2, and we are on section 2. I want you to do the investigation, which is here, and you could either use a graphing calculator or you can use Geometry Sketchpad. Now, Geometry Sketchpad is here, and investigation 2.2, and here it comes up, and we're going to click on that. And so now we have the Geometry Sketchpad. So on number 1, you are looking at what happens when we have a number in front of x. So we have a coefficient of x. So when you come down to the bottom of the page, if you click number 1, you see the graph of y equals x. Then you see the graph, what happens if we change to 2x. See the line gets steeper. And then what happens when you change to 3x, the line gets steeper. Because 1, 2, and 3 represents the slope of the line. And so you go ahead and look at the rest of those investigations. You also have a worksheet with some questions about the investigation, and you can find that. I go to chapter 2, I go to section 2, and here is the questions. When you look at these 4 equations that we saw in Geometry Sketchpad, how are the graphs similar and how are they different? So you will respond to these questions after you have looked at the graphs. Now, if you have a graphing calculator, you can graph these equations without using Sketchpad. So you have those options.